Good day everybody, today in front of me I have Nubia Red Magic 5S smartphone, and in this video we will show how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So first of all, let's go to the settings, display category, and in here we'll see that automatic screen out setting only allows us to set the maximum value of 10 minutes. So in order to be able to set it to never, we'll need the help of the free Play Store app that is called Caffeine. So let's open the Play Store. Here at the search bar type in Caffeine. Look for this very app, tap on install and wait for the app to get downloaded and installed. As you will see now, it will take no more than a few seconds. Now all that it's left to do is to open the Caffeine app itself and make sure that the timeout setting in here is set to the infinite value, and that will ultimately mean that as long as the Caffeine app is active and running, your screen will not turn off automatically at all. No matter for how much time it will be in idle status, of course. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!